Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to relocate the battery to the boot and we're going to bead roll the intercooler piping. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, let's relocate the battery. My 10mm. So, I've been watching Carl on Boost and Built Garage from about 5 years ago. He did a relocation on his Foz to spare wheel well. So I'm pretty much going to be doing the same thing. So get this wing nut off. Okay, if you guys can take a joke. Alright, let's relocate it. Do this. Done. Relocated to the boot. Alrighty guys, I am actually going to relocate the battery to the boot and do all the wiring, but I haven't got all the wiring yet, so it won't be happening this episode, but now you know, it will be happening. Problem is the wiring that I want to get is at a shop that's close, but it's only open when I'm at work. So I won't have to get it delivered. But anyways, my dad's got a bead roller, so we are going to get the cooler piping off that doesn't have beads on it, and tomorrow we're going to take that over and roll some beads and try to work out the low mount of the GT35. I'm thinking of like the wastegate going from right down at the manifold, like straight across to the GT35, so it doesn't have to go up, bypass it and go back down. It's just once that wastegate's open, because this one's hit its PSI, that'll open up and go straight from the exhaust straight into the GT35 instead of having to go up and down. So hopefully that'll help. And yeah. So we're gonna need a better earthing kit. Get rid of that. I might even get rid of really don't want to be drilling out spot welds and to take that off. But we will need to take some metal off in the boot for the battery. And I'm going to get some more wiring. Obviously we need to run it to the starter. So that one and this little fella. So I'll just strip that back. I'll do all the wiring in another episode, guys. This one is focused on bead rolling on the cooler piping. So I want to focus on that, cleaning up the pipes. Alrighty guys, I'm back. It's the next day. Let's start taking off the intercooler piping. So we're going to start with the cold side. So I think they're 10. Nope, they're 8s. There's a couple of 10s somewhere. Some 12s. 8. Alrighty. Here's the drill. So we've got a bead there, not there. I'm just going to chuck them all in that box. Hopefully I can get a bead on that. Hardest part is going to be putting all this back together. And see, this one does not. I'm going to take the airbox out, I think. Deep 12. So we do have the blower valve on here too, so I need to disconnect that. It's easy. Yeah, don't have a bead on that either. Got it. Cool. There we go. Another one. I need to get the front bumper off. So great, I just broke it. Cable ties are strong. Don't forget that. This is a really, really dirty screwdriver. Alrighty guys, so we've got the filter box, or the top half off, so we can get that pipe off. So we've got pretty much everything in the engine bay out except for this one here. Got the front bumper off. So now we need to get these lower ones off. So we have 12s and 10s, a very rusty 10. There we go. Whoa. This piping is pretty bad. I think I might have to change it up. Oh, there's a bead there, no bead there. This one's got a weld here, so I don't need to take that one. It's got one on each side. It can stay there. So that's cold side done. Hot side. And there we go. Rusty. It's got a weld on it, so that one's fine. Just need to get these two off, which are 10s. Get a deep 10. I don't know if this one will come off. Oh, yeah. Wow, very surprised. No, it's going to need to be rolled. That end does not. And this end is, I've attempted to weld some spots on, so this clamp here can grip. This clamp looks like it's oh dear. At least we can see how far the silicone goes on. So we could actually chop it and roll it. I've got a little bit of an edge on that, but put that in the box. We are heading over to my parents' place for Australia Day for a barbecue at lunchtime, but I'm not going to take that at lunchtime. I'm going to spend the time with my fam. Once it's all done, we'll come back and I'll take the Skyline back by myself and roll them with you guys. Now would be the perfect time to put the GT35 there. Alright guys, I am actually thinking something like that. So it'll go up, obviously normal pressure air will go in. You can fit a filter on there too. I'll come back to it later. Alright guys, it's a new day. So this video is going over 3 days. All the cooler piping is off. Put it all in the box here. Let's head over to my parents' place. And so we go with the bead roller. I'm actually going to chop this one down a bit. Probably take an inch off it and then roll it. As the silicone coupler went to here as well. So got plenty of room to work with on that one. Yeah. And there we go. Alrighty, just leaving mum and dad's, and we got them rolled. Not the best, but they are. Couldn't do the 2-inch ones though, so we might be getting rid of the 2-inch ones. Alrighty, super cheap. That's what we get. Alrighty guys, picked up black silicone. So we're going stealth. We are going to try to get rid of all the blue silicone. Yeah, I think I'm over it. Oh. Cool. Alright, we are back. So, bead rolled most of the pipes, couldn't do the 2-inch pipes. And we picked up some black silicone. So I'm looking at changing it over. And I might even actually start doing the other setup. The GT35 is down the bottom here. A lot less intercooler piping, but a lot more exhaust. So that's the real issue. But a lot less bends from the GT35 out to the back. So it'll pretty much just be straight. And probably a 90 degree down there. And we can get some icebox or oil catch cans over in this corner. Get our aircon back in. And I might get some spacers for my lowered suspension, or if I can find some okay coilovers, get some coilovers to raise it up just a little bit. But yeah, I'm thinking I might just try going straight to the new setup, because otherwise I'm just going to drive it for a little bit and then bring it back in and do what I said I was going to do. So might as well start now and yeah, see how we go. But anyway guys, that being said, I'm going to finish this episode here guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button, and please hit the like button if you did like this episode and are pretty keen for what is coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye.